Here come the rates. Half a percent higher for the Nifty, 31 points up, above the 5200 mark, 5210, 5214 now for the Nifty. Individual names should come up on the screen while with the Nifty opening higher. Tata Power up 3.5%. There is strength seen in DLF and JP Associates in today's trade as well. Relative strength, just about 1.5% or thereabouts for both of these. The banking names in particular, PNB, Axis Bank, both of these have opened higher. Should pull up the bank Nifty as well. Just wondering if banking as a pack is adding a lot of weight. It's probably not evident so because it's only a 0.5% uptake. So for all the talk about how big an impact would the OMO have on the banking performance, that really hasn't happened. Sure enough, the yields have reacted, but not so much for the banking names. Infosys, a mild bit of an uptick, 2822. We'll check with our experts if it's still a short idea, but there is not too much of a downtick. ACC and ran back, see if at all. Tata Power, the star performer. GAIL, we spoke to the management earlier yesterday, 2% higher for that one. Some bit of an uptick in Sun Pharma as well, so that is relatively higher. That aside, well, Cipla. So, well, of course, the defensives have performed well, the pharma names per se, and Hero MotoCorp opens 1% higher in trade.
Okay, quickly want to talk about first some stocks in news. Godrej Properties, and this one refuses to die down on news, doesn't it? Announces a redevelopment project in Mumbai, and they are going to redevelop 18 residential buildings, and that's a 2% bump up start for Godrej Properties coming in. Not just that, lots of other stocks as well. KS Oils, wherein now bankers led by SBI have approved their CDR package, and wow, that's an 11% gain that you're seeing on KS Oils, although it's a really small base stock, just about $8 or so. You also got traction for HDIL. That is one stock which is in focus. Let's see what is that up to in trade, up about 1%. 82 plus levels is where HDIL is, wherein the managing director, that's Sarang Vadhavan, has sold 50 lakh shares. That equates to 1.19% of the company's shares. Remember, already a majority of promoter holding is pledged, and now he's sold a further 1% or so. Coal India, let's get your status check up to the slew of board meetings that has happened. Coal India starts of tempers, though for in defense of this one, this was a fairly resilient stock in yesterday's trading session for the first half when the market was getting battered out. Piramal Healthcare, they plan to invest about $1 billion for US buyouts. That again is a stock in focus. And SR Oil as well. They completed their 8,300 crore Vadina refinery expansion project. And Ashok Leyland, they're in talks with some global companies to source aerospace technology. So that is again something that you should watch out for.